Another day, another maker event. What have we got today? Well, we've got two things. Because, well, the brush wasn't very exciting. So, to amp up the excitement, we need two things to make it twice as exciting, which won't be hard compared to that brush. That was boring. What do we got? Well, we have, but not of scale. We have some shears and a hand little twist drill. So let's have a look in detail. What we've got is the shears, first of all, 49p, and they're alright. So I've tested these off camera, but I will test them again now, and I'll keep them in shot this time. They work pretty well with paper. Got no qualms. Bit of card, they'll also cut that. Will they cut plastic? There's some PLA. No. Not a chance, not even denting it really. So, good for card, good for paper, 49p, I can't grumble. They're handy. Always need a pair of snips here and there just to, you know, snip something. I mean, admittedly you can get premium grade snips like these. These are flush cutters, side cutters. These are engineered, got them from Pomeroni about 3 years ago. Rolls Royce of snips. They just work really well. But I've also got, if I go back into the drawer over here, you'll notice new office layout. So I'm not in the old place anymore. I've got the side cutters, the flush cutters that come with every 3D printer that you buy. These are the ones that you don't mind getting gunked up and damaged. So snippy. Cheap as well. These though, they're alright. I'll use them for string, yarn, sewing stuff, you know, paper, card, no problem at all. Happy, they cut nice and precise. Now I've said I'm happy a few times, let's go to the next object. The next object is a drill. A little tiny drill. So you see it's got a little entryway there to put your bits in. Tighten down and you can start drilling. So this isn't for, you know, I want to make a hole in a wall. This is if I want to make a hole in a bit of plastic. It's also, I can't get the lid open. There we go. So I'll get a big drill bit so you can see what it looks like when it's in. So you tighten it and there you go. Drill. Da. Got this for 3D printing, so if I do something that just needs a bit of, you make a hole in it and you want to make it slightly wider, just put this drill bit in and away you go, rather than getting a big electric drill out and drilling into it and then taking my hand off. That's not happened yet, but let's not tempt fate. So you're now thinking, how much is this wonderful thing? I need to go and buy it. Well, there we go. Right, £1.79 for this. I think that's what I paid. Yeah, fine and dandy. It will drill into plastic. I'm not going to demonstrate on banana for scale. It will work in a soft wood and plastic and card as well, if you need to drill into card. Two simple tools. Simple tool using it. Good bit of fun. Stick them in the bits box, they'll come in handy. Alright, that's all. See you later.